like my everyday sort of makeup routine. It is almost gonna be 7:40. I have a morning class, which is why I have to wake up so early. But basically, here's the rundown for today. I decided to vlog today very spontaneously. I literally decided that I was gonna vlog yesterday night. I don't know why. I got like 5 hours of sleep for no reason. Like, I just literally couldn't fall asleep. But let me give you the rundown of what's going on today. I actually decided to vlog today since it's the busiest day out of my whole entire week. I have so much to do today, but I kind of thought I would take you guys along just to like sort of make it more enjoyable, more bearable, because I am so done with school right now. 3 classes today. I have my trend analysis class at 9 a.m. and then at 10:30 I have my business math class. My first time in person for both of these classes. I feel like today's class sessions are going to be easy since I don't have any projects to present or papers due. After my 10:30 business math class, which ends at 11:45, I have to stay till like 1 p.m. for my 12:30 meeting with my professor. I don't know how today's vlog is gonna be. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but again, I don't think I'm gonna be able to film in my classes. The classes are really small. Oh yeah, okay, I didn't even mention my 3rd class is from 6 to 10 p.m. I just really dislike that it's 4 hours long. Like, 6 p.m. is the end of my night, basically. But that class is going to be online, which I am very grateful for because next semester I'm gonna have another 4-hour class most likely, but it'll probably be in person. So loving life. Honestly, I cannot wait until this day is over. That's like a terrible way to think, but that's how I've been getting through each week. Is like, I cannot wait until the week's over. You know what, anything, since we're getting close to the end. Ooh, and I wanted to show you guys, I got this Dior lip glow. Also, my skin is peeling right now, so we're just gonna ignore my skin peeling throughout the video. So I got this Dior lip glow in the shade Mahogany, and funny story, when I bought it in the store with my friend, we literally thought it was like the Dior lip oil. We've seen all over TikTok. We even tried the samples, and it looked so good. Once we bought it, we opened the packaging and it ended up being the lip glow. We got mistaken, but you know what, I think it was a blessing in disguise because I actually really like how this looks. I love that it stays on like literally forever. Like, I had a full course meal and it was still on. It kind of looked like a lip tint. Me acting as if I'm not gonna brush my teeth right now, but you know what, this is the color. I think it's really fun for summer. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I think I'm just gonna let it down. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get, to be honest. Okay, 7:52. I keep saying the time like every 2 minutes. What the heck? Also, love how I literally planned an outfit last night, but I just decided to wear the thing that I wear every single day. But yeah, I'm gonna make my bag and eat some breakfast, and then I'm gonna be on my way out. Again, I have to leave in like 35 minutes, so hopefully I have enough time. I don't want to be late, but it's fine if I am just like a couple minutes, because for tomorrow's classes, like, I have to be early, but for this one I feel like, you know, teacher wouldn't mind if I'm late. Change up my outfit. I'm wearing this top from H&M, and then my cardigan is from Garage. I'm gonna wear my Reebok shoes. Okay, I'm on my way down to my car, and it's like 8:33, so I think I'm gonna make it like 5 minutes before class starts. It depends how traffic is, but yeah. Ooh, did I just find a new spot to put my camera? Okay. So anyways, welcome to my car. I usually put on my maps even though I literally know where it is, but it like helps me feel at ease knowing what time I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. So yeah, I'm gonna start driving now. Peace. I'm classroom. Let's hope no one comes in. We're in our first class.
We got trend analysis. I'm forgetting, and it's been like almost what?
We're going to our next class. Math class. Wait, is that our class? Hi guys, my math class just ended and now I'm gonna go to the library and wait there, do some homework till 12:30. And I couldn't vlog in my math class, it was just my teacher lecturing and stuff. But yeah, that's the update. I'm in the library right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna be doing some work before I go to my other meeting. Hey guys, I'm back in the car. It is 12:50. I'm gonna get some Starbucks and I finished the meeting with my professor. Hopefully my camera stays still. Oh my god, I'm scared. The meeting with my professor went good. It just lasted for like 20 minutes about my classes for next semester. And actually the library was very peaceful because there was no one there. I went to like the upper level. Tomato mozzarella panini.
We do.
Can I get one warmed up, please? Can I have a grande pink drink with vanilla cold foam? Okay. And a scoop of matcha powder, please? I don't know why I'm so awkward. Like, my facial expressions are so awkward. But anyways, I'm trying a new drink today. I saw it on TikTok and I just really want to try it. I really hope it's good because I really like the matcha and pink drink, so I was like, combined together, I don't know how it'll taste, but I'm excited to try it. You know what, sometimes tote bags are not the most convenient. Stuff gets lost everywhere. Oh, thank you. Okay, I have secured the goods. I completely forget that like drive-thrus can... Shoot, I thought my camera was gonna fall. Oh my god. No, 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 turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. To pull over. I really hope I didn't scratch my camera, but that just goes to show that I should not be vlogging right now. But I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm back home and I wanted to try this really quick before I go inside, but I got the same thing that I saw on the TikTok. I'll put a photo of how it's supposed to look like, but it like looks that's worse. It's just like, it doesn't look like the pink drink, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't think I won't like it. Okay, I need to shut up and just oh my god. Oh my god. This is really good. I really like the cold foam with it. It's 1:20, so I have until 6. It is a lot later now. As you saw, I got home, I had my Starbucks, and I was doing some homework, and it's gonna be 5 p.m. right now, so I have an hour until my next class starts. I think I'm gonna try to take a nap because I'm very exhausted, and I didn't even finish my writing class homework, which was to read like 45 pages of this article, which is really hard to understand. That's the current state I'm in right now, so I'll probably talk to you guys once I'm in class, actually. Update time is now 10:40 p.m. Anyways, I didn't even finish my writing class homework. I think I still have to finish that. I'm not gonna be getting a lot of sleep again. I'm really tempted to not do my reading homework. I think I'm gonna just do as much as I can until midnight. So this was a very realistic college day in my life. I don't know, this is how it is for me, and I hope everything goes good for you guys as well if you are in school. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want some more college content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.